Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Glassdoor emails. So let's go ahead and get it done. Open the Glassdoor application and also make sure to log into your account. After you are in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on Update Profile on Web at the top, and then this will take you to this page from where you can go ahead and edit your profile, job preferences, contributions, account settings, and others. Now go ahead and select the email notifications tab from the top of the screen. Now you can control your email notifications from the list. If you want to disable or turn off emails from Glassdoor for job recommendations, job application, and more, you can tap on the jobs option and disable the toggle right next to email in order to turn off email notifications. You can also get back and do this for all of the rest of the options if you don't want any kind of an email notifications, such as job notifications, community reviews, salaries, industries, and much more. Do this for every other notification option you don't want to receive via email, and make sure that the option is turned off, and that should do it. You'll no longer receive email notifications from Glassdoor from the chosen options on Glassdoor from the email type that you've turned off. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.